Good morning, students. Today, first I will discuss about solution that is based on previous video. Question number 1. Give difference between application software and system software. Answer. System software is used for operating computer hardware. On other hand, application software is used by user to perform a specific task. System software are installed on the computer when operating system is installed. On other hand, in application software can't run independently. Question number 2. What is an operating system? What are the functions of an operating system? Answer. An operating system is system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. Other specialized classes of operating systems such as embedded and real-time system exist for many applications. An operating system has three main functions: manage the computer's resources such as the central processing unit, memory, disk drives, and printers. Second, establish a user interface. And third, execute and provide services for application software. Next question is, what are the features of Windows 10? The features of Windows 10 are new start menu. Microsoft has brought back the start menu. Cortana integration, Microsoft Edge web browser, virtual desktop, universal apps. Next question, write about any two components of navigation pane and taskbar. Navigation pane. There are two types of components, desktop and downloads. Desktop, the working area of a computer screen regarded as a representation of a notional desktop and containing icons representing items such as files. Downloads, it is used for searching the downloaded items. Taskbar, there are two types of components, notification area and Microsoft Edge. The notification area is located at the right end of the taskbar. It contains some icons you might find yourself clicking or pressing pretty often: battery, Wi-Fi, volume, clock and calendar, and action center. It provides status and notification about things like incoming email, updates and network connectivity. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the faster, safer browser designed for Windows 10 and mobile. It gives you new ways to search, manage your tabs, access Cortana and more right in the browser. This control panel. The control panel is a component of Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change system settings. It consists of a set of applets that include adding or removing hardware and software, controlling user accounts, changing accessibility options, and accessing networking settings. So students, today I am going to teach you advanced features of Word 2016, chapter 3. First, I will discuss about what is header and footer. In this session, you will learn about how you will insert a preset header and footer. Next, I will discuss about adding page number. In this session, you will learn about add page number, restart, page numbering, insert date or time. Next, I will discuss about add footnotes and endnotes. Then page background. In page background, how will you change the color of the page? All these things you will learn in this session. In the last of this session, I will discuss about watermark. So students, first I will discuss about what is header and footer. You can see here in this part, when you will click on insert tab in header and footer group, you can see header option and footer option and page number. So first we will know about what is header and footer. The header is a part of the document that appears in the top margin and the footer appears in the bottom margin. Headers and footers usually contain additional information such as page numbers, dates, and footnotes. Text entered in the header or footer appears on each page of the document by default once you have added them to your document. Next, how you will create header and footer. First, you will click on Insert tab. Then you will go to Header and Footer group. You will select header option. Okay. Then what will you do? You will select. You can see there are different types of option. You can take blank, alphabet, annual, whatever you want to take option you can take here. When you will click on two times, means double click, you have to double click on the page. You can see here text option, means you can type here text. Suppose you want to type your name. Okay. Or you are typing word 2016. Okay. So you can see header option in different pages. Once you will type, you can see in different pages. Okay. Next topic is to insert a preset header or footer. How will you insert a preset header or footer? First, what will you do? Select the insert tab, then click the header or footer command. You can see here different types of tabs. This is insert tab. First, you have to click on this tab, then go to header or footer command. In next step, what will you do? In the menu that appears, select the desired preset header or footer. There are different types of preset header or footer. You can select anyone. Then the header or footer will appear. Many preset headers and footers contain text placeholders called content control fields. These fields are good for adding information like the document title, author's name, date, and page number. You can see here document title. Using this option, you can add title. To edit a content control field, click it and type the desired information. Okay. Then when you are finished, click close header and footer, or you can press the escape key. This is option for closing header and footer, or you can press escape key. If you want to delete a content control field, right click it and select remove content control from the menu that appears. Okay. How will you insert date and time? Now you can see here. First, what will you do? Go to insert tab, select header option. Okay. Then in header option, you can select any preset header. Okay. Then after selecting this preset, double click on the page. In design tab, you can see date and time option. Select any format using this option. Okay. Then double click on the page for removing header and footer. Next topic is how will you add page number? Go to insert tab, click on page number option. Using this command, you can add page number. Okay. Then after adding page number, double click on the page. You can see here different page number. Okay. Now next topic is how will you restart page number? Suppose you want to restart page number. How will you do this? I'm checking here another page. It's new page. I will show you. Okay. Go to insert tab. I have choose bottom of the page. I've chosen bottom of the page. Yes. Okay. Suppose you want to restart this number. What will you do? Go to insert tab. Use page break option. Here you can see different number on different page. Now next topic is how will you add footnotes and endnotes in Word. Before we start this practical, first we should know what is footnotes and endnotes. Footnotes and endnotes in a document are used to explain, comment on, or provide references to something mentioned in your document. Typically, footnotes appear at the bottom of the page and endnotes come at the end of the document or a section. Okay, this is footnote. Insert endnote. This is called endnote. Here you can give any references. Now next, how will you use page background? Go to page layout tab. There you can see page background group. In page background group, we will use page color for coloring the page. Okay. Before we use watermark, we should know what is watermark. Watermark is a faint design made on a paper during manufacturing which is visible only when held against the light, and it also helps in identifying the maker. Both text and images can be used as a watermark. How will you add watermark? Now see, go to page layout tab. There you can see page background group. In this group you will select watermark. Okay. Custom watermark. Homework for today is what are headers and footers? Write the steps to add a header in MS Word 2016. How can you add page number to a document? What are the ways in which you can change the page's background? Write steps to predefine header. Thank you.